So I've been asked to talk about the geography of Oman. If you imagine Oman and compare the size to the size of Great Britain, they're about the same size. But that's the only similarity. Everything else in Oman is very, very different. For a start, the economy is booming. It's based on oil and gas and tourism. Compare that to the economies of the West, where we have problems in terms of recession. The climate is very different. As you can see here, we're in the middle of winter and it's a gloriously sunny day. The temperature is about 25 or 26 degrees centigrade. It's a desert, but actually, when you look at this desert and listen now, you can hear the sound of running water. Because what we are at the moment, or where we are at the moment, is in Wadi Abyad, which is one of the wadis that run down from the Jabal Hajar, which is the main mountain range of the north of Oman. It's a very big mountain range, very high, 3,000 meters. In the winter, this time of year, it does have snow and the temperatures drop below freezing. In the summer, it becomes very, very hot. Actually, on the coast here, the temperature rises to about 50 degrees centigrade, and you have major problems with heat and humidity. In addition to that, the mountains themselves support quite a large population, but the most populous area of Oman is on the Batna Plain and Muscat. Muscat is the largest city in Oman and the capital city. There are other mountain ranges in Oman. The Jabal Dhofar, which is in the south of Oman, is again a beautiful mountain range. Actually, in the summer, it becomes very, very different, because what you have in the summer is, in fact, a green, beautiful mountain range with cows grazing and camels grazing, because we have the monsoon, the Kharif. Here's someone driving up the wadi now in a four-wheel drive, which is one of the main tourist activities of this part of the country. You have also a very widespread area of arid plain. A lot of it is gravel plain, just flat gravel plain, but also areas of beautiful sand dunes. The two major ones are the Rub al Khali, which is the empty quarter, famous throughout the world, which extends into Yemen and Saudi Arabia, as well as in Oman, and the Wahiba, which is a smaller area of desert, actually in the middle of Oman itself. The economy of Oman, as I said, is based on petrochemicals, and what we have is major petrochemical sites in the interior, where we have the oil fields, and on the coast, areas of petrochemical export, particularly in the industrial city of Sahar and Muscat, where the major refineries and terminals are.